And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today we're flying off to Sacramento, California to make quite possibly the best, yet most irrational purchase of our entire lives. We're back, baby, we're back. Each and every single day, Utah is just flexing on the nation. Nothing quite like flying the friendly skies, Sacramento, California.
Our pleasure to welcome you to Sacramento, where the local time is 9:09 a.m. There has been a 1-hour time change.
I'm trying to figure out exactly how to explain what we're up to in Sacramento. We have a 10-foot U-Haul truck. Let that sink in. Now we're headed to Chase to pick up a bunch of Benjamins. It's gonna be a weird day in California. In your own words, Alex, how do you describe what we're up to today?
You know, we're making moves. We're spending lots of money.
This thing's fast! This thing is faster than your hair!
Dude, fast charger, this thing's amazing.
This thing is spec to the max. You guys are gonna be so excited, and some of you guys are gonna be so disappointed.
We all know James is a big spender though. So,
I am a big spender. You know, 404,000 pesos, is that what you said?
Something like that.
Something like that. This is gonna sound extremely odd, but today is a beautiful day to be a dad. To be a dad. Check this out, we got all the Benjamins. Oscar, I love you. We're taking the U-Haul northbound, the 99 to Yuba City, California. We've officially made it here to Yuba City, and there are chickens everywhere. I have no idea what's going on. Why are there so many chickens here?
I have no idea.
We just discovered that Yuba City is actually a protected chicken sanctuary. I'm not joking, like it is a protected chicken sanctuary. There's wild chickens and roosters everywhere.
We're about to eat some of their siblings.
Chick-fil-A would be nice today. The adventure continues. So we have a U-Haul, we have cash, and we have ratchet straps, and I'm gonna be a dad. Put all the pieces together. We've arrived to our official destination here in Chico, California, beautiful Chico, California. So I'm gonna give you guys a hint. The new vehicle, we're calling it a vehicle, is from 1985. Whoa. The hype is building, so I can't get the smile off my face. Another hint, there's only 20 of these, count it, 20 of these in the entire world. It's as rare as a Lamborghini Centenario. Is it a Centenario? You just have to wait. It's not a Centenario. We got a U-Haul. That should, anyways. It truly is like a barn find. We have no idea where we're going. I feel like we're on an episode of American Pickers. Like, there's a barn somewhere out there with my new baby. I can see it. It's better than I imagined. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Alex, you legend. Alex found me this. Oh my gosh.
How's it going?
I don't even have the right verbiage to announce what we have done. Dude, this is Alex. Alex found me this. Dude. It's better than I imagined. Oh my gosh, here it is. My very own baby Lamborghini Countach. This thing is so sick. It's gas powered. It's got a 400cc motor. Bro, it's got the Lambo doors.
So this Middle Eastern gentleman, he was a Ferrari client. He commissioned these, a Countach for his kids and an F40 back in the 80s. And there's only 20 of them, like James said.
Oh,
started right up.
Look like that. That's cold started on a baby Countach. First and the second. Okay. This is the greatest thing of my entire life. The baby Countach. The baby Countach. You're not gonna be able to get out.
No, I can't wait to see Nick try to get in this thing. Oh my goodness.
Unfortunately, I don't think this is built for Burlacker. There are certain things in life he is not built for.
All right, I think.
Because you're in. That's no big deal. That horn is amazing. Everything on this baby Countach is fully functional. Look at him go. It has 2 gears and it has reverse. Like, this thing is legit. Bro, it's so sick. We're gonna go golfing soon. Does it have 2nd gear? So. No way. This guy right here with his arm just chilling. It's funny, it's leaning to the driver's side so much.
I'm probably 5 times too heavy for this.
This is made for 9-year-olds. I always tell you guys I'm a 9-year-old in an adult body.
Oh yeah.
Bro.
Dude. This thing's legit.
We've made it. This is it. This is the greatest day of my entire life right here.
This might be the greatest day of my day. Well, I don't even know what I just said, see?
It doesn't matter. It has fully functioning lights. I don't know if you guys can see, obviously it's a bright day right now. We got blinkers, we got lights, we got brake lights. All we need is a license plate, and we can take this to dinner. This is not your look, bro.
This is graceful, baby. Come on, that's class. Look at that. It's a Lambo.
I think the most amazing thing about this Countach, it is so period correct. So I said it was in 1988. It's actually in 1985. And all the details, it has working headlights, working taillights, working blinkers. The interior, like these seats are replica Countach seats. All the details, this thing is so much better than I could have expected. It has the iconic wheels, the tires, and this thing has been stored in a barn for 30 plus years. And it's like brand spanking new. So of course the real question is, how do we get it into the U-Haul? It probably weighs what, 400 or 500 pounds. Oh bro, jeez, that horn is like louder than my truck. How cool is that? Like, it doesn't have power steering though. Unfortunately, it does not have power steering. This thing is so sick. Like I said, there's only 20 of these in the entire world.
Is it going up okay?
We're going up.
Lift it up.
Oh,
Do you have it in gear?
Nope. Oh. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice and slow.
For a baby Countach, she sure is heavy, but she's in one piece. Woo. She fits perfectly. I can see exact perfect fit. This is the perfect size U-Haul for a baby Countach.
Yeah.
That is unbelievable, actually.
Custom car carrier.
The real $1 million question is, how many idiots does it take to ratchet strap a baby Countach? In this scenario, we have 2, and we could probably use a lot more. Or experts.
Listen, we're not wearing Carhartt jackets, so we're not good with ratchet straps, okay?
They're harder than they look, but I think we got it. Well, we got 2 more in the back. We're over here trying to figure out how to tell this baby Countach. It's like 140 degrees, and we got John, the man, the myth, the legend. He's gonna chainsaw. We're gonna cut up this 2x4 for little chocks, you might say. So, yeah, we got 2 babies, and we got a real man. Well, 3 babies, including the baby Countach. Moment of truth. 1 baby Countach, safe and secured.
She's in.
Oh, she's in. Perfect.
She is in.
It only took like what, 30 seconds? That was like 30
yeah,
seconds.
yeah.
We haven't been here for an hour and a half. Trust me, 30 seconds. We are both completely drenched in sweat. John and Lois, nicest human beings I think I've ever met. 1 baby Countach secured.
Wow.
Unfortunately, we have a change of plans. I was gonna drive the U-Haul to Los Angeles. We were gonna ship the baby Countach, but we've decided to drive the U-Haul back to Salt Lake City. However, Alex, he's gotta pick up his new Italian in Los Angeles, so he's flying. So welcome to Sacramento International Airport. Guys, if you wanna see what Alex bought, follow him on Instagram.
Whoa.
There's a link below.
Getting the shout out.
Yeah, an Italian beauty that is, or am I allowed to say color? Out of nowhere! Come back, Aventador! No! No! I'm in the wrong vehicle! Look at that thing! What in the world? That's like, that is so sick! What is that doing? I'm in a U-Haul tracking down a Lamborghini Liberty Walk Aventador. What? That is so sick! Come on, bro, hit it! Hit it! Okay, that thing is sick. That's a wide body. That is a Liberty Walk wide body Aventador. What? Come on, do it for me. Make us proud! Make us proud! This is so ridiculous. I'm in a U-Haul racing a wide body Aventador Roadster. Go, bro, go, go, go. Obviously, I'm not getting the reaction that I'm looking for, but I'm sure it sounds good. I'm trying to figure out what kit that is because it has an SVJ like rear bumper, but that's a first gen Liberty. What is that kit? That kit is sick. I want that rear bumper for my wide body. We just randomly saw a Liberty Walk Aventador in Sacramento, California. That rear bumper was like SVJ-esque, but it wasn't an SVJ. I want that rear bumper for my car. So we're about 2.5 hours into the journey. We've reached the summit at Donner Pass, our first visual inspection of the baby Countach. I still cannot believe that we finally found my dream baby Countach. You guys don't know this. I've been looking for one of these for about 3 or 4 years. I first saw a video or an eBay advertisement. I can't even remember when I first discovered the baby Countach, and I knew I had to find one, but there's only 20 in the world. Somehow Alex, Lambo Jesus, found this one in Chico, California. I cannot believe we finally own it. I realize a lot of you guys think I'm crazy. A lot of you guys are probably just as excited as me, but it's a baby Countach. What are you gonna do? The craziest part about this baby Countach, John, the prior owner who we just bought this from, he's had it since 1998. It sat in his garage. He's only used it a couple times, and he said it started right up this morning. Now, condition-wise, considering it's a 1988, it's actually in amazing condition. You can see we need a little bit of TLC. I'm trying to decide should we respray this Rosa Acanthus to match the wide body Aventador Roadster? That would be so sick. Could you imagine a Rosa Acanthus baby Countach? Another crazy fun fact about the baby Countach, in 1988, when this thing was brand new, it sold for $50,000 in 1988. I don't know what the inflation percentage is. That must be what? $200,000 maybe? Is it more? I don't know. I gotta do the math. We still have 7 hours and 40 minutes and our ETA is 4:29 a.m. Lovely. We're almost on like world record pace. Welcome to Reno, Nevada, the biggest little city in the world. I feel as though there's like a camaraderie between me and this Mercedes right now because we're both in U-Hauls. I have it pinned to the floor, 75 miles an hour. We're inching forward. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. I just gave him the awkward wave and he looked at me like I was an idiot. I thought it was like a Jeep thing, a U-Haul thing, no? I guess also good morning, it's a new day. So we got 5 more hours. No, 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 no. I just got AMG, Boyd. What? I still have it pinned at 75. This guy's going like 85 now. Wow. All right, I lost the U-Haul race. It's a baby Countach. Oscar. Oscar, look. This is my cute adorable marshmallow. We got a baby Countach, dude. We got a baby Countach. Sit. I know I look disgusting. That was an unexpected 12-hour drive across northern Nevada, but one baby Countach delivered to home sweet home. I'm really hoping she's still in one piece. We got these nice little pillows. Check that out. I still have like this sense of euphoria that we actually found the baby Countach and she is safe and secure here in Salt Lake City, Utah. If you want to buy my baby Countach, I'm not going to listen to it. I am never selling this thing. This will always be a part of my collection. It'll sit in the living room. We'll drive around the go-kart track. There's only 20 in the world. This thing is irreplaceable. Like I could actually replace the Aventador or the Urus so much easier. I realize this is not as valuable as those, but like there's 20 in the world. Probably half of them are missing. Effectively, there's 10, maybe. And I think that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Did I make the right choice with the baby Countach and what should we do with it? I think painting it makes a ton of sense because obviously here on the front end you can see the red paint. This is the original paint, which is cool, but at the same time, it's got a bunch of like spider cracks everywhere. I think it needs to go through a full restoration. Let me know what you guys think, but as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.